When the final bell rings, school doesn't stop for everyone. We've been at Marian Anderson for most of our lives. We grew up here. After-school programs helped us discover what we're good at. They helped us find our people. They helped us believe in ourselves.
The reason I joined this group is because in my opinion, I like doing stuff like this. I like making videos. Right now, I'm making a movie and also doing a podcast, and I think those things are fun.
What after-school clubs do you think are the best?
I think it's Science Fair, Nesby.
These programs exist because teachers stay late. They give their time, their energy, and their care after a full school day. After-school programs keep our school alive. They turn classrooms into places for creativity, teamwork, and confidence. This is where learning feels personal. Without funding, some of these clubs wouldn't exist, and some will have to end early. Tonight, you can help keep after-school programs going. Your support pays for materials, equipment, and the teachers who make this possible. In the next 10 minutes, we're trying to raise $10,000. That's 10 minutes to support hundreds of students. Please give, so students like us can keep growing.